Welcome, guys, to Slime-tastic, where we make slime. Okay, today I'm gonna do another experiment. So I'm gonna try to at least make 5 videos a day for you guys, and so yeah, and you'll see at least like this shirt for like 5 times and stuff, and a lot of crazy stuff. Hello, face. There's face there. Okay. Flip hair. Oh, my hair. Oh yeah. Okay. So let's get started. So first of all, you need a cup, something to mix it that you can throw away after you're done. Everything that you use to make slime with, you at least have to try to throw away, because some of the stuff you can't digest, or else you're gonna get sick. People back there. Okay. Right now, I'm getting into like the thing where you like make slime with salt, and I don't slime with toothbrush. You're gonna see a lot of toothpaste. Toothpaste. Yeah. So, and these are all experiments. I'm gonna try to do a lot of experiments because I don't want you guys to get in this, but I watch a lot of videos about making slime because slime is awesome. Slime is bae. Slime is world. Actually, no, food is, because food is delish. It just depends. I thought I heard something. Sorry. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there. You don't want to use a whole lot. And then you want to put in some water. So I'm just going to be right back, and you just want to fill in the bottom. If you're using a Dixie cup, you just want to fill up the bottom. You don't want to use that much. So be back real quick, I promise. So, yeah. Taking. Ooh. Okay, guys, I'm back. So you don't want that much, actually. You don't want that much. As you can see, you guys. Oh, you can't see, but it's kind of blue. You can see that. I didn't use too much. I literally just fill up the bottom. And then you just want to take some salt. I got this salt shaker here. You just want to do a little. Okay. Yeah, you don't want too much. And that was good, actually. That was a perfect amount. I think this might work. But as I said, I didn't do any of these yet. I just find them online, and I'll see if they work out for me. Most of these will work, because I feel like people who do these are like more good at making slime than me, because I'm not that great. But I seriously think that you guys should try it and stuff. So yeah. I don't think this is working out for me, but like the person said in the video, that don't use too much. So if it's like too liquidy, like mine is like super liquidy, you want to add some more salt. I'm going to use a lot of salt. Salt, I love you. And they said that like at the end you won't be able to feel the salt at all, because like the water dissolved it and stuff. It's like, guys, this is not working at like all. I literally watched like a couple of them, like the same one, and it doesn't work at all. This is. I feel like toothpaste don't work that well with making slime for me, because why toothpaste? Why toothpaste? Y toothpaste. Yeah. This isn't, I mean, it's basically like water right now, what I'm doing. I'm not going to even try to pick this up. Oh, yeah. As you guys can see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, I got my school supplies back there, as you can see. Comment down below if you want to see a school supplies haul. Man, this is not working out good. Yeah, this salt did soak it up. This literally looks like nothing right now. It's like... this is not working. This is so frustrating. I'm just going to end this video here. This is so frustrating. Bye, guys. See you later.